A gas tanker and what?
In a
honking match?
in an oldie but goodie parade. A gas tanker.
And a fire truck too.
What have I missed?
They didn't bring out everything. They've got brand new hot rods, GTRs, and Lamborghinis. They've got antiques, rat rods, heavily modified vehicles.
Tow trucks.
Yep.
Tow trucks. Drive-by tow truck.
A work crew, construction crew with their $1 million rigs. 15 of them all did a parade, got involved in the parade last time.
What does it say?
Hiring professional drivers. Goes another guy with 3 or more flags. Everybody brings out their stuff, their people. Got the light bar brigade, the Jeeps.
What is it? This is different.
Light bar brigade. Everybody's out watching.
Different.
You got people selling stuff. Little market.
I'll be back
Mustangs.
in a couple hours. I'm going to drive my gas tanker truck in the parade.
Yep, that's it.
There was a fire engine.
Yeah, that's one of those night repair trucks, the ones that go out to the construction rigs.
Oh, yeah. Those
It's the reason why it had the crane in the back. That's a GT Mustang. Just purring. This camera focus would work, that'd be nice.
There's a double-decker Chevy, too.
Loud as hell.
I feel it.
Yeah. Yeah. You got your ices. They're jamming out. They've got a live band up there performing on top.
I wouldn't think we were going to see it.
It's only in the spring and summer. It's the senior ride, apparently. Move up. Everybody's out in force. You've got the older hot rods.
Do they do this in Argentina?
No, that guy's got his camera out. He's prepped. Here comes your jacked up truck crew.
It's entertaining. Well, I guess we're in the parade.
We have a big truck. Do we count? We're part of B.
Chrome reverse.
Yeah, reverse rims.
Big tires.
That's like a husky.
Pinstriping.
Yeah. What kind of mixed dog is that? It's like a husky mix.
That's a husky.
Got a live band up top there. There we go. You're lane drifting. The sheriff's out.
Where?
He was back there.
There's another one.
Yep. 3 of them. Highway patrol. They're out here to try and keep peace, though that's gonna last as long as they make one loop of the town. The second they're gone.
Yeah.
These, you were asking the other day, what happens to midget racers? Those are modern day midget racers.
Yeah, that last step.
Those 4 are modern day midget racers. They have those tail and roof kits nowadays. That guy's waving the finish line flag out the top of his car.
What are the flags
Which one?
on the midgets?
Oh, they're just for getting attention. I think.
Well, I thought they were for function.
And now we're heading out of town. And here's your slingshot.
She's got a code.
Rat rods, lower, chopped. Everybody's watching. And here's your last cars out of town. Is that a Pontiac or a Chevelle? It's just pure muscle right there. And the big rigs are heading out. That's all.